So in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to complete the assignment, uh, basically generating the data using Gemini, and then how to import it into SQL. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll take the prompt that I gave you in the assignment. Remember, generate. So that was what's in the assignment instructions. And then we'll click submit. And then we'll wait for the data to be generated. Okay, so this is the data that we have. What you'll do is you'll copy the code from here, and then you'll open a notepad. Okay. And then you'll paste it over here, and you'll save as. And since we want to save it as what? So this assignment. You can save it at whatever you want. Yeah, but here we said organic underscore market / CSV to make sure it's consistent with the assignment. And that's it. And then you just say save. Okay. Then what you want to do then is you want to go to sqllite, online.com. Okay. And then you'll import the data. So at the top, you'll click import, click open, then organic underscore market. Make sure that in the column name you have first line, so it puts the labels, product ID, product name, category, and so on, and then click OK. So now you've loaded this data, and you look on the left-hand side, you have organic underscore market. Then what you'll do then is you can actually use Gemini to give you the answers to all of these prompts. But you do all of these prompts one by one. So for example, the number of produce items. So you can give the Gemini all of the instructions, and then you ask it to generate the code for SQL, and then you paste it in here. So for example, I did that, and let's go back to Gemini. Yeah, so here, let's select, so the number of produce items, C, and let's see if what it will do. Okay, great. So it gave me over here, when I read this code, it tells me what I'm trying to do is count the number of produce items that I have, and it is 8 items. Okay. So this is basically how you use Gemini. You can also tell Gemini, for example, I want to display the table of items. Okay. Give me the SQL code. Okay, so select from, and I'll take it over here. And then I'll go to the SQLite, and then place the code. It'll give me a total table. So basically what this is this data set is a set of items, organic items here listed, their IDs, their category, their price, their description, and whether they are sold, online or in store. Okay. So this is just a simple assignment to show you how to, generate a synthetic data set and how to extract the data that you want using SQL language, query language. So sometimes the data set won't come out clean as you want. So you'll save the CSV file, and then you'll try to open an SQLite, and it'll tell you that some of the columns are empty. So what you'll do is you'll have to open the SQL file in Excel. Okay, so I opened this. This was a data set that I created, and it was not. So I browsed and looked for it, and it was called organic. And you see, the data is a bit messy. So for example, the description is put into two columns for this item. Okay, so this is baby spinach. It's fresh, organic baby spinach, and then perfect source cells. What you'll need to do then is you manually edit these files. So you have to go back and put for perfect salads next to fresh organic spinach leaves, and take in-store and put it underneath sales channel. Same thing, organic fresh blueberries and antioxidant rich should be in the same column, but they're not. So I'm copy and pasting them. I'm doing them like this here, and I'll continue to do the same thing, where I have to have every single item under these columns populated. Sometimes the data will come up messy. This is not perfect, and you'll have to go back and fix it, or sometimes you regenerate the data. Okay? But sometimes the AI will still give you messed up data. So you have to know how to fix it.